How to log in on Darwinbox using a QR code. Now, first things first, this specific feature may not work if you are currently using the APK version of Darwinbox. So please do make sure that you're downloading it to a legal or appropriate store like Google Play Store. So just access it and just simply type in Darwinbox, and this is the actual application that you need. Next thing to do is, of course, just simply access Darwinbox after downloading and installing it. And as you can see, there are only two options that you can choose. Log in with your code and enter organization URL. So what you need to do from here is just to tap on the blue box that says login with QR code and then choose on while using the app, and this is where you can actually scan the code that you have on your end for you to log in automatically. And that's it. That's how you logged in on Darwinbox using QR code.